For joining us on this Friday night, and what a week of weather we've had. We've added to our snow piles here in the Southern Valley, and added moisture this time of the year can enhance our risks for spring flooding, so we'll be watching that carefully. And we have more snow on the way. First alert weather days for Sunday and into Monday now. We're going to have snow and wind combining for another slow moving system out of the Rockies. It's going to bring some fairly sizable snowfall potential as we head into and through the weekend and into and through the beginning of your work week. Here it is on Sunday morning. That's right. It will have been snowing for hours in western parts of the Dakotas as we start our Sunday morning, but it will just be moving into our western counties in the James River Valley. So it gets started early there. Now, as we go toward the midday hour and the early afternoon, you'll want to be where you're going to be because you'll see the snow expanding east. Now, the accumulations won't be so great by noon here in the Southern Valley, but notice the purple pockets here, the dark blue shades. Those are bands of heavy snow. And as we saw with the last system, we could see some areas getting some pretty rapid accumulations with that. Now, by the evening, we will have impacts. The wind starts picking up as well. The green arrows and the yellow arrows here, indicative of winds over 35 miles per hour. This lasts throughout your Sunday night and into Monday morning and snows all morning and into the early part of the afternoon for our eastern counties. Wind shift northerly, not unlike the last system. Notice the yellow arrows focused right here in the valley, the James River Valley and the Sisseton Hills. So some of the same areas that got hit with the last system will get and have the greatest risk for highest accumulations with this system. Now, we'll draw a line here at Highway 200 once again. North of there is the lowest risk of 4 to 8 inches of snow. There is a higher risk, in fact, a pretty good risk of 4 to 8 inches of snow south of Interstate 94. Once again, we could see some pockets with even higher totals than that. 8 is not the cap with this system. We'll keep you posted. Right now, it's still way out in the Pacific, but it won't take long to start seeing it enhance. We got a little weather wiggle moving through the southern part of the Black Hills right now, and that's going to bring us a chance for some clouds in our southern counties and maybe even a flurry of snow. Right now, we're coolest in the FM area at 15 degrees. It's 10 degrees warmer in the James River Valley. Right now in Grand Forks, you are in the 20s after a day we saw temperatures reach the mid-30s and had some wonderful melting. Your hour-by-hour forecast showing that we'll have a flake or two in the far south as we go through the overnight hours. Temperatures not much colder than we are right now. We'll kind of hover in those teens with those clouds kind of limiting our cooling. Wind won't be too strong, and if we have morning snow showers on your Saturday, it'll be from the valley and points east. So a few flurries. I don't expect any accumulation of significance in our area for Saturday. Check out the rest of the day. Temperatures go from the teens. We'll see some sunshine, particularly out west, going through the afternoon hours. That sun spreads across the region. Temperatures will be warmest in the trees of central Minnesota once again, 35 to 40 degrees there. Many of the rest of the areas will be near freezing. The sunshine will help melt some of the ice and snow on the streets. Fargo starts out at 15 degrees. Snow showers possible mainly in the east as we go through the midday hours. The sun increases, the wind stays quiet for a absolutely fantastic start to your weekend. Less than fantastic, and again, be where you want to be by those early afternoon hours at the latest on Sunday. There is a winter storm watch that's been crawling across the bottom of your screen. Falling temperatures on Monday. The wind and the snow continue to bring impacts to our area. Beyond that, we start out cold on Tuesday. We stay cold, slowly climbing into the mid-20s by late in the week. The weekend, not too bad. A little bit of a chance of snow on Monday. We'll keep our eyes on that. So that's how we're looking. We'll keep you posted. Have that Valley News Live weather app handy, and the beat goes on.
We have at least